So we're on Koh Rong right now, which is northeast of the island that we're staying on, and it's much larger.
It's known more as like the party island, which I can totally see.
A lot more bars.
Yeah. It was great to visit for a day, but we couldn't find many good rated accommodations, so that's why we're not staying.
Oh, there's Unicorn House. Didn't you see that one? I thought you saw a Unicorn House before. This is like the best one right here. It looks nice. Definitely feels like a beach town here. Maybe like a larger version of like Empire Bay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk to Long Beach right now, which is what, like the main beach, like the very scenic beach on this island, on Koh Rong. So it's about a 45-minute walk.
You could also get a taxi boat there, but
we got all day.
Jungle hike would be nice. Maybe put some music on and truck.
And show you guys what the island looks like. Chicken in the sewage. Wouldn't want to eat that chicken. So we almost resorted to that. You can stay in tents here too.
It would be pretty cool.
The cheapest option. I think it's like $8 or $12 a night still.
As it's like shaded.
Not your average hostel. Funky. Yeah, there are some cool hostels and unique places that are just tucked away right on the shore. There's a lot more space and it's a lot more spread out. Yeah. Oh wow. But these are all booked when we were looking. They have like a DJ up there. Yeah, it's like a dance floor. This place would be fun. Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Good. Yeah, long,
I think so.
Long walk, yeah.
It's this way? This way? Okay.
Cool.
Good.
This is a brutal walk and we would probably not recommend it. We're the only ones on this dirt road, this gravel road. We've been walking for nearly 45 minutes and it's well into the 90s and no shade at all. So as soon as we get there, we're gonna drop our bags in the sand and just run right in the water. Emma's dripping in sweat. Look at that.
The beads.
Look at the glisten. Alright, that took way longer than we expected, but we're finally here. And Emma's already in the water. Oh, it looks so nice. I'm just gonna run right in. Ah. How's it feel? That was a brutal walk. Oh. Much better?
Much better.
Probably gonna walk all the way down there. Oh, this feels so nice. Hello.
So yesterday was the Chinese New Year, also known as the Lunar New Year, which is celebrated in Cambodia and Vietnam, and I'm sure many other countries as well. It's the year of the rat, 2020. So yesterday we did celebrate a little bit.
Yeah, there was a big celebration on the beachfront. A lot of the Khmer, which is the main ethnicity in Cambodia, come and they holiday here on the islands. So we met some families and danced with them and listened to some traditional music, and they were handing out free beer to everyone and didn't have to pay at all. And apparently, like, some official or governmental body, like, they supply all the beer to the villages and give them free beer to celebrate the New Year. It's such a big deal out here.
This is like the biggest holiday, I think, in Cambodia.
So it was so much fun. We met some really friendly people, and so it was a lot of fun. The water is amazing, crystal clear. The beaches are just white.
Barely
sand.
any trash.
Barely any trash, yeah, besides some rope hanging out there. Not many people. Also, quick tip, make sure you eat or bring food with you if you come to Long Beach. There's no food here, and we're walking really far. There's also a lot of pufferfish washed up. Poor things. But I think we have to walk all the way down there to get food. And that's probably another mile or mile and a half. And we already walked from that curve.
Best friends that anybody could have. We're the three best friends that anyone could have.
Oh my god. Back through the tunnel.
Happy cookies.
Hi. No, thank you.
We should do happy cookies at that restaurant.
Oh. Should we get some?
Yeah.
I'm down. Could split one.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. You didn't hear that.
It said vegan and vegetarian too.
Nice.
I don't know.
Now we're back in the little village where we first started when we got dropped off from our boat after a very sketchy motorbike ride. Crammed all three of us on. Somehow we managed and yeah, made it out alive. I would definitely recommend though renting a bike. Probably would have been cheaper for us. We just rented a bike all day and split the cost of that rather than paying $15 for a one-way ride. Yeah, it was a lot further than we expected. We did a lot more walking, but all part of the adventure. Had a good day anyways, right?
Of course we did.
Okay.
All right, so we are walking back towards the pier to catch our boat taxi back to Koh Rong Sanloem. And that is the end of this video exploring Koh Rong Island. So thank you for watching, and make sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the island as much as we did.
Woo! You can buy these bad boys for $5.
And it's vegan.
Sometimes.